Hey guys, so we're playing this game. If I don't know, I forget what it's called, but yeah, we're going to stick together. Hello friends, welcome back.
And I'm doing.
We don't know. I'm gonna just dance. My name is Kelly. Be a pilot in this flight.
My name for April.
Oh, as you can probably tell, that this is not a regular plane. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the 99-1 presidential aircraft. You heard right. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys.
Hey, come on, I go sit. Hey, I go sit. Honey, I sit.
No, I want to say it. Hold on. We still don't understand how the captain lost control of the time. Anyway, say the reason we are here. Save the day as this is the reason we're here. Just mess it up or whatever. Already, enough chatting.
Honey, let me do that.
Please find a label with your name on it. Hey, hurry up, sit down. Hold up. No, go, you sit down. Oh my God. Oh my, April, I could have died. Oh my, but I didn't. I was careful. Please find the seal. I would do that. Did we have a barrel roll? Did we just do a barrel roll?
What are you doing?
Thank you for your cooperation.
What are you doing here?
I have an information. A president agent is waiting for you in the next room. Please find him in there for further instructions. Over here. For further instructions. Come to the other room. Come on, I want to go in. Did anyone else see that? Oh, definitely, yeah. I definitely saw that. Stop it! I want to go in. Please, President. Welcome to the president airplane. Come on, it's people. Get in the way. There's still like so much people there. Looking right. Where are you? Where are you stuck at? I don't see you.
I'm right here, Dad. Get out the door.
Oh.
Someone open the door me.
You're stuck behind the door, April.
Help me. Someone.
April, hold up.
I can hear money. I can be back here.
Hold on, wait. President is getting ready. He will be meeting you.
No.
April, hold up.
It's kind of funny and I can get out of here.
My sister's just stuck right there. Can the president raise question? Please do anything.
No.
I can't, April. That's all.
I need to die. I need to die.
Why don't you just grab a glass of water while we wait?
Why didn't you open that door?
Oh no! I'm so sorry.
You're never safe.
April, you're gonna teleport.
I'm gonna get teleport. I don't care. Why teleport?
They said me, not y'all. I need to clean it up, not y'all. Yo, it ain't y'all mess. It's my mess. I'm good at cleaning. Don't be happening again. Yes, President, it won't happen. President, don't follow me to the dinner room. Oh, dinner room. I'm hungry. Bring me to the...
Okay, yeah, but now you're teleporting.
Told you. Oh, April, sit with me. I'm over here.
Where are you?
I'm gonna sit with the president. Sit.
I can't see you.
I can't sit.
Me too. Me too.
Oh, I see you. Build that brick wall.
Are you there?
Wait, what? No. I'm sorry. It's the habit. Anyways, welcome to my airplane. No, I want to get out. I'm gonna go to Joe Biden's airplane. My name is Ronald, the president of the Robloxian States. You must know you are heroes for this nation.
A dance party? You want to do a dance party? A dance party.
But you should have been prepared for this special moment. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. Because this is probably a good thing. The food is ready. It's not ready yet. I believe the chef has messed it up. What? Throw the chef out of this plane.
Okay, I don't know cook.
I know how to cook. We'll take care of him, Mr. President. Maddie won. You're like a great chef.
You need cook now.
Oh no, Maddie. You better be good. You better learn quick or else I'll throw you out of the plane too. Oh no. It's gonna get big trouble. Okay. I will tell you the ingredients and you have to find them. Okay, Maddie? No, you can't. You don't. You better be good or they kick you out. So be good. Stop it. You're all up in my way. I need to zoom in. That's right. Back English and not with Maddie. Are you ready? Time to cook. April. Okay. Oh, my baby sister just does this thing. Whatever. That's saying the soup needs fish. Do you know where fish I go? Yes. Go. The soup needs banana. Ew. He don't know how to cook. The soup needs eggs. Ew, just disgusting. Eggs are good, but like not with the disgusting soup they're making. No! You're gonna die, girl. Man, what? It's taking too long. Take him out. It's not a him, it's a her. Can you not, Ronald McDonald? I'm so like you're stupid. April, sit with me over here. Man, you can't use the emote right now. I want my soup, Ronald.
I need to drink it.
It looks delicious. I want to see. Enjoy! I can't even eat it. Ronald, I can't eat it. Probably you can, but I can't. I can't eat it. You're so rude, Matt Ronald. I didn't even eat it. We hope you enjoyed this soup. I didn't. President has to leave early. He should be meeting again at the president's seat. Please follow the path of the computer room. You wanna fight? Okay, we can fight now. Alright, I'm trying to follow you, but I can't go nowhere. Over here. Yeah, well, you're right. Over here.
And which one are you?
Anyone. Walk up to the computer room. Oh my, I can tell that it's a computer room, but it's like Roblox. Like, get off. Attack the safety. The president is waiting in the president's suit. The presidential suit. In order to protect the president, we created a secret code that unlocks the door. Now, you must try to figure out the code. It's gonna be actually on the table too. Found it. April. There you go. Don't mess with it, April. Don't mess with it. There you go. There we go. Presidential suit. Please make me in. Whoa, we really need to work on that code. Definitely. Yo, Ronald, meet me with the president in the next room. Yes, sir. Oh, I forgot to have this one. Hello again. Sorry I had to leave early. I had to get everything ready. Yeah. Anyways, as our very special guest, I will let you sleep in the presidential's bedroom. I'm scared. For some reason, I can't find the key. I'm gonna help you find the key. It's right here. For some reason, I can't. For some reason, great. Let's open the door then. Get me in. I wanna go in. Oh, I'm stuck.
What are you talking on me?
Hold up, I got this. Got it. I'm scared. This is where you'll be spending the night. I hope this is a room for everyone. I'll give you up time to get comfy. Sorry, my phone is not even charging. So it's charged. Because my phone is charged. I'll give you something comfy to get ready. I'm scared. I'm scared. I can't sleep. I'm scared. I did not. It's nighttime already? I can't sleep. There is something about this flight that scares me. Oh, yeah, duh. On his face. Guys? The captain. What? So what about the captain? Oh my. Yo, stop. Guys, the captain. Oh, what? I don't see nothing. Oh no. Oh, hello. Oh no, it is the monster. Hello. Did you forget about me so early? Yes, I did. Fire! We can't find one. Hey, I'm trying to run. The fire's behind us. Go. Forget this, just run. Go. Tempo piamiera. Go. Pinto piamiera. Where are you? I'm right here. Oh, did you die? Oh, I thought you died. I need to go in here. I'm trying to call the phone. It's not working. Are we safe now? Definitely not. The floor. I died. I died. Oh, guys, that's the end. Bye.